the future happens at Stanford. So just being connected to Stanford means that you see the future as it is happening, and you don't kind of read about it from books or something 5 years later. You are here to see the latest trends and understand how to be ready for the future. Oh yeah, this year I think we have a great, exciting event, a lot of participation, and especially the theme today is how do you combine structured and kind of unstructured data? How do you combine structured knowledge inside the LLMs or in combination with LLMs for more accurate retrieval augmented generation, question answering, and basically being able to update the knowledge base with the up-to-date knowledge so that you don't have to fine-tune, retrain LLM or anything like that. So that's been a big theme this year, is this kind of enhancing LLMs, combining structured knowledge with the LLMs. So that was one theme. Another theme this year is around relational deep learning and how do we apply the power of graph learning or transformers architecture to people's structured and semi-structured data to build predictive models directly from the raw data. The trend is that the models kind of are coming with less and less bias, and we are able to train them on data, right? So now the question is really who has better data and who has better private data, because it's the private data that makes all the difference. So that's why we see applications of this technology to people's private data to many different applications, from e-commerce to finance, insurance, and as well a lot in health, and then I would say let's say biology, biomedicine, drug discovery. Because in all these places, basically people are generating large amounts of data, and the current, let's say, AI models are able to learn from that raw data kind of automatically. The engagement with companies, I see it really as a win-win situation for both sides. What we are really good at is understanding the problems, formulating the problems, and kind of paving the path to solve them. So we like to engage with companies where basically the company doesn't even understand yet what the problem is. They just know something is wrong somewhere, and together through this kind of discovery process and the research process, we can really go deep, identify that problem, and provide a proper solution to it. And this way, we as Stanford researchers get to work on real-world problems and have real-world impact. And I think what companies get is they get the access to amazing Stanford students, the talent and our brain power that we apply to these problems that we are solving.